So we're looking at the Door Jamb switches on a 1999 to 2007 GMC Sierra. Probably works on the later years as well. And what's going on with those is my interior lights were not coming on when I was opening the door at all. But if I cracked the door just a little bit, they would kind of come on and flicker, mess around. So what you want to do, take your screwdriver and flip this all the way in. Like so, to the farthest point. And then spray it all really good. Spray it up in here really good. And I was holding this open like that. And while I was holding it open, I would take my screwdriver and flip this in and out, in and out, in and out, all the way in and all the way out. I did that a bunch of times, and it seemed to start working. Just like it should.